Do you know that your eyes can reveal a lot about your health? Regular eye exams are essential as they can reveal not only eye specific issues, but also general health problems such as diabetes and hypertension. And many diseases can affect our eyes and lead to blurred vision, highlighting the importance of maintaining eye health. One of the best and easy ways to protect your eyes is by incorporating natural drinks into your diet that can nourish your eyes. In this video, we delve into 8 natural drinks that are beneficial for protecting our eyes and maintaining healthy vision. Each of these beverages is packed with essential nutrients and antioxidants that support eye health and help prevent vision problems. You'll be amazed by how much your health can improve just by adding these drinks to your diet. So let's get started. Number 1, carrot juice. Carrot juice is exceptionally high in beta carotene, a pigment that gives carrots their orange color. In the body, beta carotene is converted into vitamin A, which is crucial for maintaining good vision. Vitamin A plays a key role in the health of the retina, the part of the eye that converts light into nerve signals for the brain, enabling us to see in low light conditions. Vitamin A is essential for the production of rhodopsin, a pigment in the retina that allows the eyes to adjust to darkness. According to studies, vitamin A deficiency can cause night blindness, dry eyes, and even blindness in severe cases. Carrot juice contains antioxidants like lutein and zeaxanthin, which are known to protect the eyes from oxidative stress. Oxidative stress can lead to cell damage, including damage to the eyes. Number 2, green tea. Green tea is a popular beverage known for its numerous health benefits, including potential advantages for eye health. Green tea is rich in antioxidants called catechins, which are powerful antioxidants that can protect your eyes from oxidative stress and inflammation. Green tea's antioxidants can help protect the retina from damage caused by UV light exposure. This protection can help preserve vision and reduce the risk of developing conditions associated with UV damage. In a study published in 2010 by the University of Scranton, they discovered that the retina absorbed the most catechins. Green tea also contains L-theanine, which is an amino acid that can relax your mind and body and improve your focus and attention. Number 3, blueberry smoothie. A blueberry smoothie is not only delicious, but also packed with nutrients that are beneficial for eye health. Blueberries are high in antioxidants. Oxidative stress can lead to cell damage and is a contributing factor in age-related eye diseases like cataracts and macular degeneration. Blueberries are a good source of vitamin C, which is essential for maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes. The antioxidants in blueberries also have anti-inflammatory effects, which can help reduce the risk of eye conditions that are linked to inflammation, such as uveitis and dry eye syndrome. Number 4, orange juice. Orange juice is highly beneficial for eye health due to its rich nutrient profile. It is especially known for its high content of vitamin C, a potent antioxidant. Vitamin C plays a critical role in maintaining the health of blood vessels in the eyes. A study of Australian adults found that eating oranges or drinking orange juice every day can reduce the risk of AMD by more than 60%. Orange juice also provides folate, a B vitamin important for cellular health and function. Folate plays a role in reducing the risk of age-related macular degeneration by supporting healthy cell growth and division. Orange juice also contains some flavonoids, such as hesperidin and naringenin, which can improve blood flow to the retina. Better blood flow means more oxygen and nutrients for the retina, which can enhance its function and prevent degeneration, the central part of the retina that is responsible for sharp and clear vision. Number 5, spinach smoothie. A spinach smoothie is a fantastic choice for enhancing eye health thanks to its rich nutrient profile. Spinach is a powerhouse of lutein and zeaxanthin, 2 antioxidants that are crucial for eye health. These are carotenoids, which are plant pigments that can filter harmful blue light and protect your eyes from photo damage. According to studies, lutein has been linked to a lower risk of cataracts and age-related macular degeneration. These are some of the leading causes of vision impairment and blindness, but here's the catch: lutein needs to be liberated from the spinach to be absorbed by our bodies. Not all smoothies are equal in doing this. Studies suggest that using coconut milk or medium or high fat cow's milk in your spinach smoothies can increase lutein liberation. Spinach is low in calories but high in fiber, vitamins, and minerals, making it an excellent addition to a healthy diet. Its overall health benefits contribute to maintaining healthy eyes. Number six, aloe vera juice. Aloe vera is a succulent plant that has been used for centuries for its medicinal and cosmetic properties. Aloe vera is known for its healing and soothing effects on tissues. When consumed as juice, it can help support the overall health of the ocular tissues. Aloe vera also contains polysaccharides, which are complex sugars that can moisturize your eyes and prevent dry eyes, which can cause irritation, redness, and blurred vision. To make aloe vera juice, cut a leaf from an aloe vera plant and scrape out the gel inside. Blend the gel with water, lemon juice, and some honey or stevia for extra flavor. Drink a small amount daily, as aloe vera juice can be potent. Number seven, water. Water makes up about 60% of your body weight, and it is vital for every function and process in your body, including your eye health. Dehydration can lead to dry eyes, a condition where the eyes do not produce enough tears or the tears evaporate too quickly. This can cause symptoms such as stinging, burning, and blurred vision. Drinking enough water helps to produce sufficient tears and maintain a healthy tear film, reducing the risk of dry eyes. Proper fluid balance in the body helps to ensure that all organs, including the eyes, function optimally. This includes maintaining healthy blood circulation, which is crucial for delivering oxygen and nutrients to the eyes. Drink at least 8 glasses of water a day, or more if you are active or live. Carry a water bottle with you to ensure you drink water regularly throughout the day. Number 8, beetroot juice. Beetroot juice is a rich source of nitrates, which are compounds that can dilate your blood vessels and improve your blood flow. This can help deliver more oxygen and nutrients to your eyes and prevent eye fatigue and strain. The betalains and other compounds in beetroot juice have anti-inflammatory effects. Inflammation is linked to various eye conditions, including uveitis and dry eye syndrome. These betalains can protect your eyes from free radicals, which are unstable molecules that can harm your cells and DNA. To make beetroot juice, blend 1 or 2 peeled beets, apple, carrot, and lemon juice. Add a small amount of water, blend until smooth. Drink 1 glass a day, preferably in the morning. Regularly consuming beetroot juice can contribute to maintaining healthy vision and protecting the eyes from various conditions. Of course, drinking these drinks alone is not enough to ensure optimal eye health. You also need to eat balanced diet, exercise regularly, avoid smoking and excessive alcohol consumption, wear sunglasses and protective eyewear, especially visit your eye doctor regularly. Thank you for watching. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on maintaining good health and well-being. Take care of your eyes.